So on the 6th of May I was at Crewe, so I went to see some of the trains there. However, my first catch today was 1H14, the 0743 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Birmingham New Street with 220015 and 220021. And then this is 1R24, the 0758 Advanced West Coast service to London Euston from Holyhead with 221102 and 221108. And then this is 1K04, the 0807 East Midlands Railway service to Derby from Crewe with 170418. And then this is 1B35, the 0810 Transport for Wales service to Carmarthen from Manchester Piccadilly with 175114. And then this is 1W24, the 0820 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly from Cardiff Central with 175101.
Customers wishing to exit the station are advised to follow the signs via the subway to Western Road.
And then my last catch today was OZ25, the 0901 direct rail service to Crewe Bridge from Crewe Bridge with 66431.